How to add music to Canva design video. Open the Canva application on your laptop or PC. Select the video option on your device. You will be directed to Other tab. Here you can customize your video as well as audio. You can see templates at the side. Select the video from templates. Once done, play the video. From the corner, select Apps. In Discover, scroll down. You will see many options, but select the only one you need. Select the option Audio. In the Audio, choose the music you want to. You can select the music by clicking on it. You can also delete the audio by selecting Audio and press Delete. Scroll down and choose Other music you will. Select the music and adjust it as required. Play the music. You can also adjust other settings. Play the music. That is how you can add music to Canva design video. That's all from today. Hope you like this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out an update.